Bold open text on screen. Real AI test. No fluff. 3 months ago, Anna barely spoke English. Couldn't order coffee, got nervous at job interviews, and honestly, she didn't think an app could help. Today, she's about to have a full conversation with a recruiter completely in English. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Anna used AI to learn English faster, what surprised us, and whether you should skip real teachers in 2026. Section 1. Set up Meet Anna in the English Challenge 030-200. Anna moved from Kharkiv to Chicago in January. Dual English hours back home. Age 25, high school basics, nothing else. Her goal, fluent English for a tech support job, competitive market. She has 3 months, no money for expensive tutors. That's where the apps come in. SpeakNow Pro,
Google Gemini Tutor, and the new Polyglot AI. All claiming you'll be fluent in months. He sets the rules. She use only AI apps for grammar, reading, and speaking practice. Real teachers only for the initial assessment and final test. But will it work? If she fails, that's a lost job, more debt, and a blow to her confidence. End of section. But as Anna's first lesson started, the AI did something totally unexpected. Section 2. Rising Action Day 1 set up in Discovery 200-400 at 7 a.m. The app launches with a daily streak meter, rewards real-time pronunciation feedback, and a scenario generator that simulates interviews and coffee shop orders. Anna's first shop. The AI instantly points out her pronunciation mistakes. Specific, clear, not the vague try again you get from a bored teacher. She repeats phrases. The AI speeds up or slows down and gives almost instant correction. For 3 days, her accent score goes up 6 points. According to Polyglot AI's built-in self-assessment. But it's not all perfect. By day 5, Anna's lessons start repeating. Order coffee. Schedule appointment. It feels less human. Anna misses real-time, off-script feedback. No facial cues, no patience for dealing with frustration. End of section. That's when she decides to push the AI harder and things get weird. Section 3. Complications. AI gets weird. Humans fight back 400-600 pattern interrupt. Anna tries using the AI in real life, ordering at a Starbucks. Turns out the bot accepts all her answers, even garbled ones, a big problem for real-world practice. The AI is not correcting natural conversation flow, just checking word for word. Pattern interrupt. She consults her original teacher, Mr. Lopez, for a midway test. Catches subtle grammar errors the AI missed. You said he go to school, but it's he go. AI didn't flag that. Now Anna tracks her progress. AI app shows plus 19% vocabulary growth. Human test shows plus 10% grammar, but still struggling with slang and listening speed. She notices one more thing, motivation. The AI rewards her for streaks, but no real shame or accountability. Easy to skip. Her study hours drop from 10/week to 6/week in month 2. In the section, here's where it gets interesting. Anna's final test would shock everyone. Section 4. Climax the big reveal 600-700 pattern interrupt. Judgment day. She takes the SpeakNow Pro official proficiency exam, then immediately does a live job interview with her teacher as mock employer. But in the human interview, Anna struggles with unexpected slang and small talk. She freezes, then recovers. Final verdict from Mr. Lopez. Your improvement is insane. Jump from A1 to B2. You still miss nuance. The AI taught you structure, not all the real life skill. Anna scored 30% higher in reading and grammar than before, but still lagged on listening and conversation speed, where teachers excel. End of section, but the real surprise is coming in section 5. Resolution. What actually worked? An honest verdict 700-800. Though can an AI replace a real teacher? Here's the honest answer for structure, reading, and grammar. The best AI apps in 2026 destroy most humans. Cheaper, faster, always available. Anna went from A1 to B2 in 3 months for $19.99/month versus $50+ an hour for in-person lessons. For speaking, confidence, and real conversation, AI still lag. Real teachers catch your mistakes, push you, and motivate you in ways apps can't. Anna landed her tech job. She credits AI for her grammar leap, but still checks in monthly with Mr. Lopez for real talk. Here's my verdict. If you're broke or busy, AI will get you 70% of the way. But for fluency, you still need a real human at least sometime. Not financial advice, just my real experience. If you like this, watch our deep dive on the best free AI language tools of 2026, testing apps most influencers ignore. Subscribe for real AI stories that you can trust.